The heart of these vegan breakfast tacos lies in their bright and varied ingredients. Spiced tofu serves as the main attraction, bringing a satisfying texture and protein boost. When crumbled and sautéed with chili powder and cumin, it transforms into a delicious filling that pairs beautifully with fresh vegetables. Colorful bell peppers and onions add a crispness that complements the tofu perfectly. Their vibrant hues create a feast for the eyes, making breakfast feel special and lively. To achieve the best results, proper preparation of ingredients is essential. Start by draining and crumbling the tofu, ensuring it absorbs the spices well during cooking. Heating olive oil in a skillet allows the tofu to brown slightly, enhancing its flavor. The spices release their aromas, creating a fragrant base for your filling. Adding the bell peppers and onions at just the right moment ensures they remain tender crisp, adding texture without losing their fresh taste. A final squeeze of lime juice elevates the entire dish, brightening the flavors significantly. Warm tortillas. The perfect vehicle. Warm tortillas are crucial for holding together the delicious fillings of these breakfast tacos. You can choose between corn or flour, depending on your preference. Warming them in a skillet or microwave makes them pliable and enhances their flavor. This simple step ensures that each bite offers a delightful combination of textures. Once the tortillas are ready, they become the perfect canvas for the vibrant tofu and vegetable mixture, making every taco a little masterpiece. Toppings that bring it all together. The beauty of these tacos lies in their customizable nature. Fresh cilantro adds a burst of herbal freshness, while avocado slices contribute creaminess that balances the spiced filling. For those who enjoy a kick, a side of salsa or hot sauce can provide an additional layer of flavor. This versatility allows you to adjust each taco to your liking, ensuring satisfaction with every bite. Whether enjoyed mild or with a bit of heat, these toppings elevate the experience, making breakfast feel indulgent yet wholesome. The presentation of your vegan breakfast tacos can enhance the overall experience. Arrange the tacos aesthetically on a colorful plate, drawing attention to their vibrant colors. Consider serving them in a bright and cheerful kitchen setting to elevate your mood during mealtime. Sharing this meal with family or friends can also create a delightful breakfast gathering, making it all the more enjoyable. Health benefits of choosing plant-based with a base of tofu. They provide a solid source of protein, essential for a balanced breakfast. The inclusion of bell peppers adds vitamins and antioxidants, contributing to overall well-being. Additionally, opting for whole food ingredients means you're fueling your body with nourishing components without unnecessary additives. By incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet, you can enhance your energy levels and promote a healthier lifestyle, all while enjoying delicious flavors. These vegan breakfast tacos feature spiced tofu, crisp vegetables, and a hint of lime, all wrapped in warm tortillas. They're satisfying, fresh, and brimming with vibrant flavors that make breakfast exciting. Ingredients: 1. 1 block firm tofu, drained and crumbled. 2. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 3. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 4. 1/2 teaspoon cumin. 5. Salt and pepper to taste. 6. 1 cup bell peppers, diced. 7. 1/2 cup onion, diced. 8. 1 lime, juiced. 9. Corn or flour tortillas. 10. Fresh cilantro for garnish. 11. Avocado slices, optional. 12. Salsa or hot sauce, optional. Instructions. 1. Prepare the tofu. In a skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. 1. Add the crumbled tofu, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. 1. Cook for about 5-7 minutes, stirring occasionally until heated through. 2. Add vegetables. Stir in the diced bell peppers and onions. 2. Cook for an additional 3-5 minutes until the vegetables are tender. 3. Finish with lime. Remove from heat and squeeze fresh lime juice over the tofu and vegetable mixture. 4. Assemble tacos. Warm the tortillas in a separate skillet or microwave. 4. Spoon the tofu and vegetable mixture onto each tortilla. 5. Garnish. Top with fresh cilantro, avocado slices, and your choice of salsa or hot sauce. 5. Serve immediately. 1. Prep time, 10 minutes. 2. Cook time, 15 minutes.